All right, we're live.
Well, that's up. So what I've done is, rather than just having free settings like low, medium, and high, come here, get this. Normally, smoker just has low, medium, and high. That's cringe. That means there's no feedback control, there's no loop. So what we did is we took a big old, thick old circuit board boy. We got two temperature sensors connected to a meat probe and an ambient temperature probe. We got power. We got an Arduino Nano controlling everything. We got a relay that turns the motor on and off. So now we're gonna plug it in. As you can see, we've added some very technical tape around here. Very good engineering tool. The things you 3D print to fit perfectly sometimes require a little bit of coercion. Okay, so for the very first time, we're gonna try to turn it on and see if it works. That is the sweet sound of a smoker doing a smoker thing. Now come in here, look at this. There you can see the auger spinning. It's very slow, but that's what moves the pellets into the system. Now we come down here, we look at the screen. Say the screen value or the set temperature is less than the smoker temperature, then it actually is going to turn the auger off. And that's how it knows to stop. And that's how we will achieve the right temperature in our smoke. All in all, pretty successful try number one on a prototype. We will be improving this as we go.